Faceless YouTube channels are actually a big thing, and people like you are currently making as much as $3,000 to over $9,000 monthly creating faceless YouTube channels. Now, what are faceless YouTube channels? Faceless YouTube channels are channels where you don't have to show your face when you are creating content. Nobody has to know that you are the one that is actually behind every of the content that is being put out there. And people are conveniently making thousands of dollars using this particular method to create content on the YouTube platform. Now, this actually brings up a very unique and big opportunity for you to actually get started with creating a faceless channel for yourself right now. Now, in this particular video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 of the faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can actually get started with creating right now. And with all of these ideas, you're going to be able to cook up something together that will help you to start earning a couple of bucks from YouTube. Now, this basically means that if you're really concerned about making money from YouTube and you're really thinking of how to sit in front of the camera, then hold on, because you don't need to sit anymore in front of the camera. All you simply want to do is just to think of how you can actually, follow up with these particular ideas I'm going to share with you guys right now. And on following up with them, you'll be able to start making cool cash for yourself from YouTube still. Now, the very first idea of faceless channel you can actually set up on YouTube that will actually help you blow up fast and make money in this particular space is compilation channels. Now, compilation channels is basically when you are putting up series of content around a couple of entertaining or most watched content in the space. Now, let's take, for example, you actually want to do a compilation of, comedy skits, and you're really putting up, different skits together, and you're like, okay, compilation of this particular comedian, or compilation of different skits from this particular comedian or this skit maker here on the space, compilation of, relationship videos that you actually need to watch. And all you're simply doing here is to compile these videos together, putting them all in one space. And instead of people watching them in different shorter clips, they actually want to watch it one on the go, and they get the laughter of their life. Now, this particular set of videos are currently making huge rounds on YouTube, and you would see a couple of compilation channels who actually compile and curate series of comedy skits, and they are making it big in the space. Now, the second faceless channel idea you can actually get started with is creating Howto Channels. Now, Howto Channels is basically when you're able to create series of how-tos. Now, how to do this, how to do that, how to clean up your phone, how to clean your table, how to, set up a particular, tool. Now, this set of videos are created based on what people are most likely looking out to achieve, okay? So you actually want to figure out one particular thing that people actually want to get started with, and they're basically searching for this particular search phrase. And all you simply want to do is, using the power of AI, you go ahead and you create series of how-to videos around this. Now, I'm talking about AI. AI is going to be very instrumental to your faceless channel, because you actually don't want to spend much money on hiring series of hand when you're creating this particular videos. Now, I'm actually thinking of creating an extensive video where I will show you how you can actually leverage on AI to create faceless channels that actually make you a lot of money. Now, if you actually want to see that video, let me know in the comment section below. Just tell me, yes, Franklin, I want to see the AI video for faceless channels. Now, in order to get what people are searching, you actually want to use a tool like Google Trends. Now, I'm jumping on Google Trends. You are going to be able to get a couple of search phrases that are currently trending, and you can actually use this particular search phrases to create YouTube videos on how to by yourself. Now, the third faceless channel idea you can actually get started with is reactions or reviews. Now, this is basically when you actually find a particular video that is getting a lot of traction on YouTube, maybe in the entertainment space, and you're actually creating a reaction about this particular video and sharing your insight or input on this particular video. Now, this particular video, first of all, is already getting a lot of traction, and this also means that your own reaction or review would also gather along traction with this main video. Now, at the same time, it also makes your own content to be very unique, in as much as you are reacting to a particular video that is already existing on the YouTube platform. You are actually bringing up a new style towards your own creation. Now, there are several reaction channels on YouTube, and you can see the way they simply do it. Just pick up a content that is really blowing up on YouTube, react to it, and start getting tractions and make money for yourself in this particular space. Now, the next channel idea you can actually get started with is top 10s. Now, when it comes to top 10s, this is exactly what most people love to watch. For example, I love to watch top 10 around cars. I love to watch top 10 around, luxury lifestyle. I love to watch top 10 around rich cities and places to visit, several ideas. Now, all you want to simply do is to go ahead, still search on trends for the particular key phrases that are currently in trend at any given time, and you want to create a compilation around it. For example, we are going into Q4, and in going into Q4, you know that there are going to be a couple of holidays during this period of time. Now, with these holidays, you actually want to create a top 10 around, the best tourist places to visit, for relaxation, for vacation and all. And you will see that your video will start doing well during this particular period of the year. Now, the final Faceless channel idea is DIY. Now, this might actually involve a little bit of, more technicality than other ideas I've shared here, because this is exactly where you are actually helping people to get something done by themselves. Now, a very good example is where this particular guy right here is actually doing a DIY around, plumbing work, right? So there's actually a plumbing work he's doing right here, and it's more of like a DIY showing people how they can actually get this done for themselves. Now, there are a couple of other DIY channels here on YouTube that show you maybe how to clean your apartment, how to clean your kitchen, how to clean your pot, how to, get some things done basically all by yourself. So instead of hiring somebody out there to get something done for you, watch this particular video and then you can do it by yourself right there in your space. Now, videos like this one are also gaining a lot of traction because, to be honest, sometimes we just want to save a couple of bucks and get things done with our own hands. And YouTube is a very good place to learn how to get things done. And you can be the creator that will create the content that people are going to be watching in order to get this done for themselves. A very good example of a content like this one is where someone is showing you how to drink water. Now, a content like this is gaining a lot of traction on YouTube, but then it's actually as simple as ABC. I'm sure you'll be surprised to hear that somebody is really teaching us how to drink water here on YouTube. But then here's a content like that. And this particular 5 ideas are ideas where you can actually create Faceless channels around, and you can actually start making for yourself as much as $2,000 every single month from your own channel. I actually have a coaching program around YouTube and how you can actually get started with this for yourself. And all you simply want to do is to use the link I have in the description to get access to my YouTube coaching program, and I will show you exactly how to get started here on YouTube, how to really monetize, and also how to scale your income in this very space. At the same time, you want to join my WhatsApp community, because right in here in my community I share several ideas on how you can actually make money from different channels on the internet. At the same time, make sure you actually give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. With this, guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.